गोपीजनवल्लभ गिरिवरधारी जय राधा जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी जय राधा यशोदानंदन ब्रज जय राधा माधव वल्लभ यमुना जय राधा माधव गोपीजन वल्लभ हरे कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम हरे राम 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 हरे
राधा माधव की जय, श्री कृष्ण बलराम की जय, श्री गौरताई की जय, ग्रंथराज श्रीमद् भागवतम की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय। गौर ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। नारायण नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यास ततो जयमुदीरये। नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवते उत्तम श्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठिकीम्। मुखं करोति वाचालं पंगुलंघयते गिरियत्कृपास्तमहं वन्दे श्रीगुरुदिनतां श्रीपरमानन्दमाधवम्। सर्वशास्त्राधिपीयूषं सर्ववैदैकसत्फलं सर्वसिद्धान्तरत्नाढ्य सर्वलोकैकदुःखप्रदम् सर्वभागवतः प्राण श्रीमद्भागवत प्रभु कलिदन्तादित्य श्री कृष्ण परिवर्तितम् परमानंद पाठाय प्रेम वर्षक्षरायते सर्वदा सर्वसेव्याय श्री कृष्णाय नमस्तुमे। मदेक बंधु मत संगिन मद्गुरु मद महाधन मन्निस्तारक मद भाग्य मदानंद नमस्तुते। असाधु साधुदायिने अति निचो जतो करो। हाँ ना, हाँ न मुंच कदाचिन्मा प्रेम्णा हृत्कंठयो स्फुरा। श्रीमद् भागवतम की जय। श्रीमद् भागवतम कैंटो 10 चैप्टर 9 चैप्टर 10 कैंटो 10 चैप्टर 10 टेक्स्ट 10 9 10 देव संगीतम अपि अन्ते कृमि बीट भस्म संगीतम भूतध्रुव तत्कृते स्वार्थम किम वेदा निरयता। देव संगीतमप्यन्ते कृमिबीट भस्म संगीतम भूतध्रुव तत्कृते स्वार्थ किं वेद निरयो यतः। देव संगीतमप्यन्ते कृमिबीड भस्म संगीतम भूत ध्रुव तत्कृते स्वार्थं किं वेद निरयो यतः। देव संगीतमप्यन्ते कृमिबीड भस्म संगीतम भूत ध्रुव तत्कृते स्वार्थम किं वेद निरयो यतः। देव संगीतम शरीर जो अब अत्यंत महान पुरुष या राष्ट्रपति मंत्री या देवता कहलाता है। Did you get the translation? The body now known as a very exalted person like president, minister or even demigods. अपि इतना महान होते हुए भी even if the body is so exalted, अंते मृत्यु के बाद आफ्टर डेथ कृमि कीड़ा बन जाता है, टर्न्स इनटू वर्म, बीट या मल में परिणत हो जाता है, और इनटू स्टूल, भस्म संगीतम या राख में बदल जाता है, और इनटू एसेस। भूत ध्रुव, शास्त्रों के आदर्शों को न मानने वाला तथा अन्य जीवों से ईर्ष्या करने वाला व्यक्ति। A person who does not accept the shastric injunctions and is unnecessarily envious of other living entities. तत्कृते, इस तरह कर्म करते हुए, by acting in that way, स्वार्थम, स्वार्थ, सेल्फ इंटरेस्ट, किम, क्या है, हु इज देयर, वेदा, जो जानता है, हु नोज, निरयतः, because from such sinful activity one must suffer hellish conditions. क्योंकि ऐसे पाप कर्मों से नारकीय दशा भोगनी होती है। ट्रांसलेशन एंड पर्पट बाय हिज डिवाइन ग्रेस श्री भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय। अनुवाद और तात्पर्य प्रभुपाद के द्वारा। जीवित रहते हुए मनुष्य अपने को बड़ा आदमी, मंत्री, राष्ट्रपति या देवता सोचते हुए अपने शरीर पर गर्व करता रहता है, किंतु वह चाहे जो भी हो, मृत्यु के बाद उसका शरीर कीट, मल या राख में परिणत हो जाता है। यदि कोई व्यक्ति अपने शरीर की क्षणिक इच्छाओं की तुष्टि के लिए निरीह पशुओं का वध करता है, तो वह यह नहीं जानता कि उसे अगले जीवन में कष्ट भोगना होगा, क्योंकि ऐसे पापी को नरक जाना पड़ेगा और अपने कर्म फल भोगने पड़ेंगे। While living, one may be proud of one's body, thinking oneself a very big man, minister, president, or even demigod. But whatever one may be, after death his body will turn either into worm, into stool, or into ashes. If one kill poor animal to satisfy the temporary whims of this body, one does not know that he will suffer in his next birth. For such a sinful miscreant must go to hell and suffer the result of his actions. इस श्लोक में क्रू में बीड़ भस्म, ये तीन शब्द महत्वपूर्ण है। यदि मृत्यु के बाद शरीर को जलाया नहीं जाता तो वह कृमि बन जाते हैं, अर्थात उसे कीड़ा खा जाते हैं, या फिर उसे चील या गिधड़ जैसे पशु खाकर मल बना देते हैं। जो अधिक सभ्य हैं वे मृत शरीर को जलाते हैं, जिससे वह भस्म बन जाता है। भस्म संगीतम, भले ही यह शरीर कृमि, मल या राख में क्यों न बदल जाए, मूर्ख व्यक्ति उसे बनाए रखने के लिए अनेक पाप कर्म करते हैं। यह निश्चय ही शोचनीय है। मनुष्य का शरीर जीवस्य तत्व जिज्ञासा के लिए अर्थात आध्यात्मिक मूल्यों के ज्ञान का प्रकाश पाने के लिए मिला है। अतः मनुष्य को चाहिए कि प्रामाणिक आध्यात्मिक गुरु की शरण में जाए। तस्मात् गुरु प्रपद्यते, वह गुरु के पास जाए। गुरु कौन? शाब्दे परिच निष्णातः, गुरु वह है जिसे पूर्ण दिव्य ज्ञान हो। आध्यात्मिक गुरु के पास गए बिना मनुष्य अज्ञान में रहता जाता है। आचार्यवान पुरुषो वेदः, छांदोग्य उपनिषद। जब कोई आचार्य द्वारा नियंत्रित होता है अर्थात आचार्यवान होता है तो उसे जीवन विषय को पूरा ज्ञान रहता है, किंतु जब वह रजगुण तथा तमगुण द्वारा संचालित होता है तो वह किसी बात की परवाह नहीं करता। उल्टे वह मूर्ख पशु की भांति अपने जीवन को संकट में डालकर कर्म करता है। फलतः वह एक कष्ट भोगता रहता है। नाते विदु स्वार्थ गति ही विष्णु। ऐसा मूर्ख व्यक्ति यह नहीं जानता कि इस शरीर को पाकर किस प्रकार अपनी आप को ऊपर उठाया जाए। उल्टे वह पाप कर्म में लिप्त होकर नीचे की और नारकीय जीवन में फंसता जाता है। ओम ज्ञानं तिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनं शलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूप कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकम्। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरु श्रीयुक्तपदकमलं श्रीगुरु वैष्णवांश श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सगण रघुनाथनीतं त्वं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्ण चैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधा कृष्ण पाद सगण ललिता श्री विशाखान्वितांश्च। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीन बंधु जगतपते गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुवेव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्त वृंदा। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। So Narada Muni instructing here the out of his mercies he concerned about these two boys, the two sons of Kuvera, Manigriva and Nal Kuvera, and how the people so much concerned about their body and how they are intoxicated by pride and whole life they are taking care of this body, and the result is again they are going to suffer. Again they entrap in so much suffering. So this is the lesson for everyone, how if someone so pride about their body, because if you become and your body is something and if you got something designation, then again you will become more pride. If you have little nice body, beautiful body, strong body, generally somebody is strong, he is not beautiful, or somebody is beautiful, he is not strong. Generally it happen in material world. If somebody is so strong, he is not beautiful. If he is beautiful or strong, he is not intelligent. Murk. So he looks like very good and he is like very strong, but not intelligent, no, murk. So it is happen. And sometimes someone is 3-4 qualities together, no, not all qualities, and they feel so much proud. Oh, I am such a, and for that they remain so, they do whole life they serve the body. This is the how these two sons of Nal Kuvera. First of all, they are demigods. They got the nice body, not and human body. They are like demigod body, and demigods are so much powerful than human. Much more powerful, much more beautiful, much more intelligent, everything. But still, demigod also, they are also do the sense gratification. They also do the so much sin. So here it is mentioned how if some it is not help, although they are demigods, but if they don't know the purpose of life, how to come out from this cycle of birth and death, to use this demigod's body, human body. So here, and in the destination of this body, it is mentioned of many shastras. ये body का जो डेस्टिनेशन है, बॉडी का अंत किस प्रकार 3 चीज में होता है. तो द the destination of this body become ashes, become the stool of others animal, and beat. So krumi beat bhasma sangitam. And we are so much attached to this body. We will become stool of animal. If they will born a body, it will become ashes, and they will become. If they will throw it the body in water or river, or so that the krumi, they will become krumi, because so many insect will born from that body. And also they will eat, like if you put it, Jai Shri Krishna Balaram ki jai. If you will put in a river, the fish, the crocodiles, they will eat, and they will also pass a stool that on it. So we are so much eager, so much tension, that we are so much concerned about this body, and the body turns in ashes. And how much? They say 2.5 rupees. If you sold this body, it will become, if you burn this body, like 1 kilos, 1 kilos, 2-3 kilos ashes. And if the animal eat it, they will pass a stool. How much will be that? And how much money we spend for keeping this body? And how we are so much proud. We are so much proud that I am such and such. So that is the realized person. Those who realized person, they research it and they tell this their experience. ये लोग पूरी शोध करके ये निष्कर्ष पर पहुंचे किस प्रकार ये बड़ी का अधोगति होता है, और इसी शरीर के लिए कितनी हम लोग प्रयास करते हैं. सो दैट्स व्हाई those who sober person, those who intelligent person, they should not use this body sense gratification. भोग में नहीं लगाना चाहिए. ये शरीर को भोग नहीं, ये शरीर को तपस्या में लगाना चाहिए. Don't use this body in sense gratification. Just use it, do the tapasya, renounce. Then you can get the power. From this body, you can make yourself, your atma will become, and you will free from this bondage. Even there is mentioned many shastra. If you don't do, if you think this body will use properly, even in this lifetime, you will get so much happiness. And if you misutilize this body, then you will get so much suffering. Many people, they use this body and for doing so many things. In Shastra it is mentioned, even you die, when you die, if you do so much pious activities, if your body is devotee body, everyone will take and everyone will get the benefit. Even insect will eat your body. Even dog will eat your body. You will get also liberation. If your body is liberation, no? And they will get also bhakti. Otherwise, they will understand this man is miser. He is so falsy pride, no? And they will not touch. They also have, Krishna gave, समझ रहे हैं ना? कुत्ते, पशुओं को भी ये भगवान ने ऐसा सेंस दिया. They have also special kind of a sense. If someone is so much miser, so much sinful activity, whole life he did, even fire cannot catch. Even fire cannot. If they have experience in village, when they will take the body, the someone die in village, that person who is so much sinful activities, whole life he did so much sinful activity, and they will when they will take the body and they burn the body, the fire will not catch. They will put the kerosene, petrol, and diesel not to burn. Even 3, 4, 5, 6 hours very difficult to burn, and they understand that this man is a nasty man. No, they never fire cannot catch. Even they will put the body outside, no one will eat. Many days it will remain like that. So it means, so this body is not used properly. You can blindly, you can say, in people, in village people, they can blindly, they did because because the body is used very bad way. आग में नहीं पकड़ता है. Or even they put the body in outsides, even bird, even dog, they will not eat. Even jackals are so, their sense is very, yes, they will fast, they will take the sense, no, they smell, and they will understand this man never did anything. And in the hand of man it did very so much sinful activities. Leg also went sinful place. Never went temple. They understand. They will first smell. This man, woman, no, they did. She or he says he didn't went to any temple. He did any spiritual activities. Never did. And someone did, immediately they will eat. Oh, this man did. And within 1-2 hours they will finish. Because they will get the benefit. They have also that much sense. And those who were, so how the Krishna create this thing? Even animal, they have that sense. So here mention how we should not use this body, misutilize in sense gratification. So for these bodies, so here they give the example, Krishna, Prabhupada give nice purport, he mentioned how the human body should utilize. Devam sangitam apyante krumi bid bhasma sangitam bhut drupta krute swartham kim vedam nilayo yata. So that's why we should concern about the self. आत्मा के लिए सोचना चाहिए, बड़ी को इतनी ध्यान देना नहीं चाहिए. और बड़ी के लिए हम लोग, बड़ी जो डिमांड करता है, बड़ी के लिए, बड़ी के संबंधी के लिए, we are so much interested body and body's relative, body's explanation, whatever the bodies you expand from your body. So we are concerned about that, and we are not concerned about the soul. So here all the Vedic literatures, they mention how very carefully we should utilize this body. Help of this body, we can get so much happiness, and we can rid of this body, cycle of birth and the help of this body. And if you gratify your senses, utilize this body, then you will be suffer many lifetime. So this is the lesson for us, and all the Acharya, they says there is many histories, many incidents how the people utilize this body and how they got so much happiness, and they made this body like completely renounce these bodies, and they utilize this body in very good way, so that they can get so much happiness and they can get the peace. So only things how utilize this body good way. So all the shastras mention सारे शास्त्रों ने वर्णन किया है किस प्रकार इस शरीर को व्यवहृत होना चाहिए भगवान की सेवा में। अपनी इंद्रिय तृप्ति में अगर हम इसको लगाते हैं दुख ही दुख मिलता है, जो कि शरीर का यही अंत है। कुर्मी बनना है, राख बनना है और दूसरी एनिमल का, दूसरी पशुओं का मल बनना है। और इसी शरीर के लिए इतनी हम सोचते रहते हैं, इसी शरीर के लिए इतनी हम लोग व्यवस्था करते हैं, लेकिन ये जितना भी व्यवस्था करने पर भी ये शरीर नहीं रहेगा। इसलिए इस शरीर के लिए ज्यादा जो सोचते हैं, ज्यादा चिंतित होते हैं, मैं कैसे रहूं, मैं मरूंगा नहीं, शरीर के लिए तो मेरा शरीर कैसे ठीक रहे। इतना थोड़ी बहुत हो जाता है तो भजो गोविंद कितनी परेशान हो जाते हैं, अरे ऐसा हो गया, ऐसा हो गया, ऐसा। लेकिन शरीर के लिए हाँ शरीर रहे, लेकिन जब भगवान का हम सेवा करें अच्छा से। So if you are so much concerned about our body, because as long as the body is there, we can serve, we can develop good consciousness. And as long as we are not conscious, as long as we have so much envy, greedy, so that's why the bhuta bhukta. So if you first of all, here it is mentioned, if someone become president, the body become president, someone become minister, somebody become big great personalities, how they think. They are so much proud about their body. And that body, what will happen? Even in present time, if he will no more president, no one will ask, no one will say anything to him. After his power, after he finish his time, so no one will give any respect. Yeah, he is ex-minister, ex-prime minister, ex-president, you know. Even when he was present, मरने से तो पहले ये शरीर को भी कोई जब पोस्ट में रहेगा तो सब सारी वो तो आप लोग थोड़ा सा ध्यान देंगे। Even someone president, even other country president, when he will come here, people don't give so much respect. Okay, he's even this body, इसी शरीर में भी कोई रहता है प्रेसिडेंट या दूसरी राज्य का प्रेसिडेंट या दूसरी देश का, वो भी आता है, उसका इतना कोई ध्यान नहीं देता। और जब प्रेसिडेंट पावर से निकल जाता है उसको भी कोई ध्यान नहीं देता। तो इतनी फिर क्यों इतना अहंकार है, इतनी अहंकार है हम, तो ये अहंकार ही सर्वनाश करता है। और लास्ट में वही प्रेसिडेंट या कोई देवता हो, चाहे कोई प्रेसिडेंट हो, लेकिन शरीर का तो अंत ही तो है। Even you are demigods, even you are president, you cannot remain all the time on this body. So that's why if someone understand this, and he should not proud about this body. So those who are sober person, those who are intelligent person, they should not proud. Ahankara vimudhatma kartaham iti manyate. Those who are thinking, oh, I am the doer, I am this body, they are not thinking about the soul. Actually, within the soul, within the body there is a soul, and as long as soul is there, body is active, and someone can do something. If soul is not there, body is dead. So if you concern about the soul, someone understand the soul, importance of a soul, and who can understand, I am the jivatma, I am the soul, I am not this body. And it is take so much time. Even we understand, still we are so much attached to this body. Even who knows we are not a body, we are the soul, we are the jivatma, but still we are so much attached to this body. So that's why here the sadhus like Narada Muni, he gave this instruction, and he so much concerned about the bodies, and he discovered everything, and he was clearly mentioned how the body, destination of the body, and we should not attach to this body. If you attach to this body, then you will go to hell. So make your body, इस शरीर को शुद्ध बनाना है, and also use this body and make your consciousness clean your consciousness. As long as if you don't clean your consciousness, then you will suffer again and again. हमारे चेतना को हम शुद्ध करें, इसी शरीर में, इसी मनुष्य शरीर में, देवता शरीर में ये बहुत फायदा है, केवल खास करके मनुष्य शरीर में। अगर इसको हम प्रॉपर यूज करें, अगर इसको हम यूज नहीं करेंगे ठीक, तो फिर वही होगा, ये शरीर जलेगा, मर जाएगा, जो खत्म होगा, दूसरी पशुओं का मल बन जाएगा, और लास्ट में इसका यही अंत है। इसीलिए बुद्धिमान लोगों को इसमें फंसना नहीं चाहिए, और ये शरीर के प्रति इतनी आसक्त नहीं होना चाहिए, और ये शरीर को कोई कुछ बोल दिया इसके लिए इतना अभिमान नहीं करना चाहिए। If someone disrespect to this body, we should not care this, we should not disturb. Many people disturb because they say to this body, oh, someone say you are dog, or I am dog. So much distress, so much anger, because as long as our body is swapnati yah sadu prak sarira vimokhanat काम क्रोध उद्भवम वेगम सयुक्ता सुखी नरा. Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, as long as you don't give up this thing, if you take this body and if you don't give up this काम क्रोध lust anger greedy, before you finish this body, before destroy this body, you should give up this thing, because that will not help the consciousness, that will not help the soul. Before, when our soul in this body, you have to give up this consciousness, give up this pride, give up this bad consciousness. Good consciousness you acquire, but bad this consciousness, bodily consciousness, you have to give up this. Otherwise, it will give us so much pain. So that's why here Narada Muni mentioned, he concerned about how the human body is so important, and he misutilizing this body. We are misutilizing these bodies. And if we do it, utilize like animal like, so we will become, and we हम लोग अगर पशु जैसा इसी शरीर को व्यवहार करें तो पशु जैसा है, मनुष्य होकर के पशु जैसा फल मिलेगा हमको। इसलिए पशु तो उसका तो कोई सोच विचार नहीं है, मनुष्य का सोच विचार है, मन है, तो उसको कम से कम इसको लगा सकते हैं। अगर पशु की तरह हम इस शरीर को व्यवहार करेंगे तो फिर हमारे मनुष्य जीवन का जो लाभ हम उसको मिल नहीं पाएगा। पशु तो है, पशु का तो वही मिला है, उसको कुछ सोच ही नहीं सकता, लेकिन मनुष्य इसलिए श्रेष्ठ प्राणी है जो हम इसको यूज कर सकते हैं भगवान। लेकिन इतना जानने पर भी फिर भी हम शरीर के प्रति आसक्त हैं, और इसी शरीर का थोड़ा सा कुछ हो जाने पर हम इतने विव्रत होते हैं। इसी शरीर को कोई सम्मान नहीं दिया, कोई सुख नहीं दिया, तो हम लोग इतने विव्रत होते हैं। इसमें नहीं फंसना चाहिए। So we should not disturb by this bodily activities, and body someone give respect, and somebody also body have so much demands, we should not disturb by demands. Krishna says Bhagavad Gita, apuryamanam achalam pratishtam samudra apa pravishanti tadvat kamaya pravishanti yadvat sasanti mapnoti na kam kam. Because like many river going to the ocean, and ocean is not disturbed by many rivers, and because he is so, ocean is completely quiet. If a sober person, if intelligent person, and actually the devotee, then if devotees are disturbed by so many desire comes in our mind. If you go running after a desire to fulfill all the desire, many lifetime will go away. Many lifetime will be, you can spend many lifetime and you will not get any happiness. So that's a sasanti mapnoti nakama kami. Those who does not run their sense, their desire. Many desire comes, it automatically comes many desire in our mind. And to fulfill the desire, you go to fulfill your desire, the many thousand desire comes in our mind. So who can steady, who can get the peace? Those who cannot, those who don't run by their desire. They complete. Let's calm so many desire. Like let so many water comes to the ocean. He is completely quiet. He don't disturb by anything. So those who are a self-realized person, even sometimes they say, Maharaj, so many desire comes in our mind. No, yeah, it is natural, no, because it is. But we should not disturb by desire. Yeah, come, just give up that. Don't purchase it. Don't buy it. If you purchase your desire, one desire come, okay, purchase, okay, I'll fulfill this. Then another desire will come. This way you will be disturbed all the time. So that person is na sasanti mapnoti na kama kami. Because that person is self-satisfied, he does not run by the desire. So if someone got this human body, and if he will not fulfill, if he will go by desire to fulfill the body's conditions, so he will take so much lifetime to come out, to come out this cycle and birth of death. So Narada Muni was concerned about these two sons of Nal Kubera and how they are so much, they are the big personalities. For that also to get birth in good families, nice body, sometimes it is impediment of Krishna consciousness. Because it does not allow us to realize who are you. Because that thing is make you so much popped up. Oh, I am like this, I am such and such, I am such and such. So that does not allow to realize what you are. And when you will become humble, so many things you can realize what you are. Sometimes false pride does not allow us. So that is the mistake they did, because they does not allow. When Narada Muni calls him, oh, you will become now tree, because you are naked and you are doing like this, this nonsense thing. Now you remain all the time naked. Oh, then you become tree. Oh, will become tree. Then he gets immediately there. And that sometimes it is needed, because sometimes the sense gratification makes so many things, and you cannot, because they have become blind. The sense gratification makes people so blind, and they don't understand what should they do and what should not do. That is the problem now. Because the Maya is such a, now Kali Yuga, so many things. If you go out, they cannot understand what they do and what they should not do. Papa, Punya, they don't know anything. And what is good for us, what is not good for us, they don't know anything. And they don't read the Shastras. There is no Shastras about how to become good civilization, good citizen. Good people. They thought now, if you have so much money and you do nice job, nice wife, nice husband, then you will become good. But that how long that can remain? And this thing is not giving you this thing. Previous good thing give you now good job. They thought I did myself. Oh, I am so smart, so intelligent. But they don't know. Previously you did something that now you are eating. You got nice body, nice, and now you are going degrading yourself, using this body. Then next type will be hog and dog. So that they don't realize. When to those who sober person, the intelligent person, they should go through the shastras. They should find out what is our next life. How I can get rid of these things. Hare Krishna. Anybody any opinion? समझ आया ना? हम लोग अपना कल्याण नहीं समझते। तब कल्याण हम समझेंगे जब हम शुद्ध होंगे। ये शरीर में रह करके शरीर को सब कुछ मानते, इसलिए यहाँ नारद मुनि ने बता रहे हैं किस प्रकार बड़ा घर में जन्म, अच्छा शरीर, किस प्रकार ये बाधा है हमारे कृष्ण चेतना के लिए, हमारे उन्नति के लिए, शरीर का उन्नति के लिए बहुत बड़ा बाधा है। अच्छा बड़ा परिवार में जन्म होना, अच्छा पद को मिलना, कभी हम बड़ा पद अच्छा पोस्ट में पहुंचते हैं, हम लोग सोचते हैं अरे हम ऐसे मिला, लेकिन वास्तविक ये सब अगले जन्म का खेल है। अगले जन्म में अच्छा काम किया था, आज मिला ही अच्छा, फिर ये जन्म में खराब काम करेगा, फिर नीचे आधा पतित होगा। इसलिए सतगुण में आना चाहिए, सतगुण से ऊपर जाना चाहिए, गुण से अतिक्रम करना चाहिए। अगर फिर वही तो कर्म में व्यस्त होंगे, पाप कर्म में प्रवृत्त होंगे, फिर नीचे की ओर जाएंगे, अधपतन होगा। हरे कृष्ण। ग्रंथराज श्रीमद् भागवतम की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय।